my channel Nutan Online Study. So today we are going to see once again lesson plan on the topic rocks and minerals. So if you haven't seen my video or my lesson plan on the topic inside our earth, do check it on the description box. I will give the link and you can see the video on the particular topic. So today our topic is rocks and minerals. Okay, this is for class 7th. The subject is geography. So first is previous knowledge. So here we have to write what student is already aware of. So student here already aware of different layers of earth that they have already learned in the chapter inside our earth, and to let them know uses of minerals means we want to explain them what is minerals and what are their uses. Specific objectives. So for specific objectives we have to write similar to general aim. We have to write that we want them to understand what and how crust is made up of, plus how many types of rocks are there. Okay, and for teaching aids as usual we have to write chalk, duster, model, flexet, whatever teaching aids we are going to use. We have to mention all that. So like this we have to make the first page of our lesson plan. Now moving on to introduction part. This part is the most important and difficult also. Here we have to frame questions. Like 4 to 5 questions we have to frame, and here I have added 4 questions. You can see that. How many layers do earth have? Name 3 layers of earth. Which is the thinnest layer among them? How earth crust is made up of? Like this we have to frame all the question one by one, and student will answer all the question. And here I have also added objectives and specification. You can see that to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Like this we have to write all the points. And here we have to write class. Class is 7th and subject is geography. Okay, so after asking question to students, we have to give the statement of our aim. That means we have to announce our topic. Like, today I am going to teach you the topic rocks and minerals. So like this we have to announce our topic, and we have to write that on the blackboard also. Now moving on to the presentation part. So what we have to do is we have to explain our content for 5 to 6 minutes properly to students. Okay, so I have added all these points, and after that means after explaining to them we have to ask questions related to that. So here I have added 3 questions. You can add maximum 5 questions to it. Okay, and here are the answers that we expect from students. Here is the blackboard work that we need to write on blackboard. We have to write all the main points, or we can write definitions also. And skills. So after explaining we have to explain once again properly with the help of chart or model. Okay, now second presentation is sedimentary rock. So here we have to explain all the points properly once again for up to 5 to 6 minutes, and after that we have to ask questions to student. So you can see this, and here is our blackboard work. So like this we have to mention all the point one by one. Now moving on to next page, that is the rest part of presentation 2. You can see here metamorphic rock and the question related to that. Give example of metamorphic rock. What is meant by rock cycle? Like this we have to ask questions to student. And this is the answer that we expect from students. And here is the blackboard work. And here is skills, teacher showing chart, student observing chart. Means we have to once again teach them properly with help of any aid or model that we are going to use. And here is recapitulation. So for recapitulation we have to ask like maximum 4 to 5 questions to students, and student will answer that question. So here I have added 4 questions like what is rock, what are uses of rocks, what is rock cycle, what is uses of minerals, and here are the answer that student will give to us. And if you find any difficulties, or if you want to make me lesson plan on any particular topic, you can comment me on the comment box below, or you can mail me at nutanpandey940@gmail.com. Okay, so here application and evaluation. So for that we have to give 4 to 5 fill in the blanks to students, and students will answer that. And the last is home assignment. So for perfection of knowledge we have to give some home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan. So if you like my lesson plan or if you like my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe it as well. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.